Oof.
Café. Manila. Okay. Let's go. Let's get this up in the darkest question state. Let's go. Let's stay no carro. Diciamo, Air Theater, se vede che diciamo, comunque siamo separati a mondiale. Perché fa il più sicuro. Chi deve giocare?
Hold up, let's go!
Go, it's yours, it's yours.
Yeah, you start touching the word.
Perfect. Perfect.
It's okay. Air Theater, do that.
Give it go, keep moving.
Okay, good drive. Good job.
Good job, Dan. Good job, Dan.
Okay.
Off it, Dan.
Go away. How many? What is that score? How score? What was the score?
5-1.
But what goal we need? We have 5. Let them
She
guys.
won 6.
He won 6.
She's a Brazilian.
No, he was. I said, why is he saying goal? We have 5. I was
I'm
asking.
saying she's not happy with 5-1. I was thinking a goalie.
This was a nice day. Took some sand. The kids played. It was a beautiful ride here. No traffic.
Perfect.
Cool deal.